Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wa salatu wa salam ala rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum, peace be upon you. This is Dawah Addict. It's been a long time. I am going to be releasing one of my regular videos soon, inshallah, but I'm reaching out to you guys today to ask you for your help. As American Muslims, we all know how important it is to cultivate Islam in America and to build strong and lasting connections between our culture and our religion. A few years ago, my friend Ali Mahmoud and a few of his friends started the first ever Muslim fraternity, Alif Lam Mim. Alif Lam Mim has helped many young Muslim brothers to connect with their deen and strengthen their relationship with Allah, while at the same time providing a supportive community for students who struggle with faith, family, relationships, and all the other things that college students have to deal with. This is a great organization doing great work and carrying on a great message, and they want to share that with the world. So they decided to make a documentary that uses Alif Lam Mim to explore Muslim American identity and to offer a balanced and beautiful portrayal of what it really means to be a Muslim in America. They've already been working on the film for 7 months, and they're running a Kickstarter campaign to raise $50,000, which is what it will take to complete the movie. So far, they've raised $32,000, but time is running out. Kickstarter campaigns last 30 days, and as of today, March 3rd, they only have 5 days left to raise $18,000. If they don't reach their goal in time, all that money they've raised goes back to the donors and they lose everything. That's why I'm reaching out to you today, to ask you to help with this project. If 180 people gave $100 each, Alif Lam Mim would have everything they need. If just less than 2,000 people gave $10 each, they'd have everything they need. So for what it costs you to go out to lunch with a friend, you could be making this movie a reality. So inshallah, if you're able to afford it, please support this project and encourage your friends to do the same. And when you tell your friends, you can let them know that in order to reach their goal, Alif Lam Mim has added a $35 donation option. If you choose that option, you'll get a digital pre-release of the documentary, so you'll get to see it before everyone else does. If you'd like to contribute to the project or share it with others, click on the link below in the description and share this video as much as you can. Thank you so much for your help, and inshallah I'll see you soon. Assalamu alaikum, peace be upon you.